At Camp Smile, we oftentimes hear from parents that they are concerned that their child is loudly grinding their teeth. Tooth grinding, or bruxism, is a common occurrence in children, defined by excessive rubbing or clenching of the teeth together beyond what is normal function, such as speaking, chewing, or swallowing. It can be caused by many things, such as deep concentration of kids, stress, light sleep stages, medications, or an upper respiratory infection. Because the behavior is so common, treatment is often not needed, and the behavior is outgrown as the children grows up. However, if you have concerns regarding bruxism or tooth grinding in your child, please feel free to contact Camp Smile and schedule an appointment. Our dentist would be happy to evaluate whether or not your child is okay.